Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to stop photos from syncing first because that prevents new uploads. Open Google Photos, tap your profile, then back up and sync and switch it off. This stops cloud writes instantly. Once done, go to Settings Apps Google Photos to clear the cache if you need space now. Clearing cache is safe and won't delete cloud pictures. Make sure you are on the account you intend to remove, otherwise you might disable the wrong profile. Next, you'll remove app-level access and optionally delete stored app data. On Android, force stop, then clear storage/data to wipe Photos app settings. This may remove offline edits but not cloud originals. On iPhone, sign out of the Google account in the Apps menu. Once done, open your device gallery to verify that local copies still exist. If you cleared app storage, local files may remain in DSIM or Photos app. This step ensures app data no longer ties to your account. Finally, uninstall Google Photos to fully remove the app. Press and hold the app icon, choose Uninstall, then reboot the phone to clear any lingering background processes. After reboot, open Settings accounts to ensure no background Google Photos sync remains. If something goes wrong, like photos still uploading, reinstall the app, sign in, turn off backup and sync, then clear storage/data before uninstalling again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.